Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your international life coach, tarot and oracle card reader, an energy healer, and now a podcast host. For this particular video, we will be having your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of May. This is for my dear Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those na hindi pa nakakapag-generate ng kanilang natal birth chart, I suggest to generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. May link there that can help you generate your natal birth chart. Kailangan lang yung date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Cancer as your rising/ascendant sign, then this is your reading. So without further ado, my dear Cancer, let's proceed on getting to know your angel number. Might be there is a certain message for you na kailangan mong malaman with this particular angel number. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, angel number for my dear Cancer, please. So we have number 3, 2, 4, and 9. So 9, 9, 9, 9. Okay, so there it is. So we have here 3249. Kindly go to Google search engine, my dear Cancer. Search angel number 3249. Might be there is a certain message that you needed to know with regards to this certain angel number. Maaring you had been seeing a lot of 333, 222, 444, 999, or 2424 as a confirm, and also 1010. I'm seeing 1010 also as a confirmation of this particular reading. Maaring there is a certain message na kailangan mong malaman with that particular angel number. So before we proceed with your full reading, let's get to know your energies or the overall energies of your life for the month of May. So what are the energies or what will be the theme of the life of my dear Cancer for the month of May? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, what will be the energies? So we have here the 5th house. So with the 5th house, this is concerning lahat ng mga bagay that makes you happy, fulfilled, or the certain things that has sense of fun. So kumaga parang the certain things that you find that brings you joy or fulfillment. For some of you, this is regarding dating. For those who are single, probably magkakaroon ng spice yung love life mo for this particular month. Probably you will be finding someone that you will be dating, or probably you will be focusing on creating new things, probably creative talents or skills. For some of you, you will be learning a new skills, learning a new talent na nakakapagpasaya sa inyo. Wherein, at the bottom of the deck, I was guided. So, this energy is wistful, endlessly loving, compassionate, and forgiving. It confuses and softens resolve. For others of you, you are finding that sense of happiness. Maaring for others, you had based your happiness in finding a relationship, finding a partner, having a lot of money, having a lot of material things. Now you are finding that sense of happiness within you. So might be you are going to go soul searching, traveling to get to know ano ba yung nakakapagpasaya sa iyo, what makes you happy. So with it comes to the 3 cards that I have with the teaser. So traveling, as I've said, maaring you are wanting to travel, you're wanting to soul search, you will be focusing on moving forward in life. Magkakaroon ng forward movement sa buhay mo. Probably recently nagkaroon ng trials, obstacles, and challenges, setback, or currently, as I've said, maaring you're going to go soul searching kasi probably you felt lost recently in the last few weeks, months, feeling mo walang direksyon yung buhay mo. So for this particular month, you will be focusing on finding what makes you happy, probably soul searching, or focusing on what are the goals that you needed to achieve, or what are the things that you needed to accomplish. So you will be moving forward in life. Laban lang, usad ang buhay. So might be for some of you, you are stuck in a certain loop or cycle. You are waiting for things to happen. And that because of that, you are getting stuck in a certain loop or cycle. So remember, kung ano man yung actions and decisions of people around you, it's only an additional. You have your own free will to make a choice to move forward in life. Life goes on. Don't let your life stop because of those certain circumstances that didn't go your way. So for this particular month, you're having a hard time bringing balance, meaning to say you had been focusing on trying to fix people, situation, relationship around you, na nakakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo. You were quite imbalanced, my dear Cancer. So this is the time of this certain month that it's time for you to focus on bringing balance to yourself. So probably you are dealing with something legal, might be yun yung nagiging obstacle, probably case, divorce, annulment, or contract that you had been kumbaga dealing with, na yun yung magiging obstacle mo to move forward in life. So this is the obstacle that you needed to address or you needed to accomplish, wherein bringing balance into your life, not only bringing balance to the situation and people around you. Wherein the action that is needed for you, my dear Cancer, is instead of trying to give your cup to other people, kasi parang you feel like you are disappointed, you are unfulfilled and unsatisfied, kung makikita mo yung itsura ng lady, kaya you are hesitant to be open and ready for the different possibilities kasi maaring for some of you, you have a certain fixed idea or you are getting fixated to attach to the particular outcome, and that is the reason why you are ending unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So it's time for you to be open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. So stop wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why. Why is everything happening? What is the lesson that you needed to learn from every people, situation, relationship experience that you are encountering or you will be encountering this particular month? Let's clarify the chariot. What is this certain chariot? Okay. So you're focusing on moving forward in finding stability and security within yourself. So you will be focusing on your goals, your career, your finances, bringing balance into your life. Kasi for some of you, maaring naging imbalance kayo financially or your career, you were quite imbalanced, you're quite lost, hindi mo alam kung ano yung patutunguhan mo when it comes to your career. So this month, you will be focusing on setting the intentions and the goals on ano yung kailangan mong i-achieve or ano yung gusto mong ma-accomplish for the month to come. What more? Let's clarify more of the details. So, travel. Maaring you're planning to travel, my dear Cancer. Travel is involved. Might be you are traveling overseas. You will be traveling overseas, across oceans. Maaring you will be traveling for vacation. And for some of you, you are transcending obstacles. So, kailangan mong pagdaanan to. There is no shortcut to whatever you're going to encounter. So, remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, for your obstacle, why is bring balance? So, probably a news, an offer, a small offer, yung nagiging obstacle mo to bring balance. Might be you are getting too attached to this certain outcome of the certain opportunity, maliit na opportunity na ito. Kaya you are finding it hard to bring balance to yourself. Probably you get attached to the particular opportunity, small opportunity na ito, and you are finding it hard to move forward in life. So, probably you're waiting. Kasi, kaya another thing, kaya you are not bringing balance to yourself, you are not focusing on yourself kasi you are waiting for things to move forward or you are waiting for that certain news, you're waiting for your opportunity. So, maaring that is the reason why you are holding yourself back. Kasi feeling mo you need to prove something, you needed to compete, you needed to, kumbaga parang let them know that you're the best option in the certain opportunity. You are getting too attached to the possible future and the outcome. So the more that you're getting attached to that, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied, my dear Cancer. So kaya it's time for you to be open and ready for the different possibilities. And also with the Sun, it's time for you to find that sense of fulfillment within yourself. Maaring for some of you, my dear Cancer, you had focused on finding that certain sense of happiness, that fulfillment, that love from other people around you or from the external, wherein happiness is only an emotional state. And also having that relationship, having that money, having that possession, having that career, it's only an additional. The happiness that you're looking for is found within you by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing, being grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. That is what your happiness is. And your love, the love that you are looking for, is found within you by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. And your first soulmate is you. You had to be the first one to like, love, accept, and what do you call that? Value the person that you're seeing in the mirror. Kasi you are fearing, natatakot ka that if you will not be competing to get people attention, to please other people, you will end up being alone. So you have this certain fear of getting abandoned, fear of not being good enough, not being recognized. So you are acting out of fear. So that is the reason why you are getting attached, getting fixated on the possible future and the outcome, that you feel that you needed to control the situation so that it favors sa iyo yung mga mangyayari. So that is the reason why you are ending up unfulfilled and unsatisfied kung makikita mo yung girl on the picture. So let's see what will be the energies for your career, business life, work life. What are you going to anticipate this month of May, my dear Cancers, Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors? So you have to be resilient. When it comes to your career, your business life, you might not see things clearly as of the moment. So life goes on. As I've said, hindi pwedeng huminto yung mundo mo. Don't let your world stop because of those certain opportunities that didn't go your way. If you really wanted to succeed in life, you're not going to give up easily. You're not going to give up without a fight. You had to move forward in life. Life goes on. So you had to be resilient. So the obstacle that you're needing to overcome is finding that sense of fulfillment. As I've said, maaring for some of you, you had gotten too attached to the idea of the outcome of that certain opportunity, and that is the reason why you end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied kasi things didn't go your way the way that you had anticipated it. So it's time for you to move forward in life. Life goes on. Remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So when it comes to your financial situation, abundance, materials, opportunity, what are the energies? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. What are the energies that you will be anticipating with your financial situation? Eight of Wands, there would be opportunities on the way, but for these certain opportunities to come to you, kailangan mo maging clear, my dear Cancer. It's like ordering a product in a shop. Kailangan mo maging clear kung ano yung product that you're going to order, what color, what size, what design. Same thing in what we want to manifest into our reality. We are the one who co-creates with the universe, or kung ano man yung gusto nating mangyari. We had to be clear. Ano ba yung gusto natin? We wanted to succeed in our business. Ano ba yung business that you're going to put up? Who is your target market? What is the product that you're going to sell? You wanted to be successful in your career. What career? You had to be specific. You had to communicate. Probably you are having a hard time speaking up, my dear Cancer. Kasi might be natatakot ka that if you will be speaking up, people will be disappointed of you, people will be envying you, etc. So you have a fear of speaking up, being vocal, kasi you are afraid of being rejected, fear of not being accepted. So it's time for you to be clear on what you want to manifest into your reality when it comes to your financial situation, my dear Cancer. If you wanted to have financial freedom, ano yung dapat mong gawin? What are the actions and decisions that you needed to make when it comes to your financial situation? Kasi probably you feel like, as I've said, you feel that you are not good enough, you are not worthy enough regarding the opportunity that is coming your way. So sometimes you're the one that is our worst enemy. So it's you versus you. So you don't need to compete to other people. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. The person that you needed to be better with, or the person that you needed to compete with, is yourself. It's you versus you, my dear Cancer. Okay? So let's see. What is the energies for your love life, your relationships, or connections in general? So romantic, platonic, friends, family. So relationship is not only love related, but the way that we handle our relationships is how we will be kumbaga parang receiving it from them. So, and also, the first relationship that you needed to establish, my dear Cancer, is your relationship with yourself first. So, Might be you are brokenhearted, my dear Cancer. There had been a breakup, separation, turmoil, challenges that took place when it comes to your relationship. Or you feel like you are broken. Broken in a sense na you came from a broken family, separated parents, toxic or abusive relationship, and you feel na ganun ka. You feel like you are that certain representation of your experience. So you feel that you are unworthy, not good enough, coming from a broken family, you are not complete, you are not whole and complete. So you are seeking validation, approval from other people around you. As I've said, with the sun, you tend to please other people. So it's time for you to find that sense of fulfillment within yourself. So having a relationship and having a partner, my dear Cancer, it's only an additional. It's not the basis of your value and your worth as a person. Kung ano man yung decisions, actions of people around you, it has nothing to do with you. It's not you, it's them. Okay? You're the standard on how you are going to be treated. So it's time for you to be mindful, my dear Cancer. How have you been treating yourself? Paano mo ba tinatrato yung sarili mo? Are you treating yourself with kindness, love, and compassion? Because how you are treating yourself is the standard on how people is going to treat you or how you will be receiving it from other people around you. So let's see what is your oracle guidance. Message in the bottle wherein it's time for you to speak up. It's time for you to be clear. If you want to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with someone, you need to have that healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. Kasi you are your first soulmate, you are your first lover, you are your first friend, best friend. So how you are treating yourself is how you will be receiving it from people or how you will be experiencing it from the external. So it's time for you to walk away from people, situation, mindset that doesn't serve your highest good. It's time for you to leave the past behind. So whatever na nangyari with your past, if you came from a broken family, separated parents, toxic or abusive relationship, or narcissistic family members, so it doesn't determine your future. So what happened in the past is already written, tapos na yun, you cannot change it. The only thing that you can change is what you're going to experience in the now by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. So what is the angel message for you, my dear Cancer? What is the angel message? Angel spirit. Okay, angel message for you is I'm harmonious. You relate to others on an almost cosmic level. You are dedicated to building harmonious relationship of all kinds. You have the ability to persuade others to your point of view by using gentle means. So it's time for you to have that harmonious relationship with yourself. You are your first soulmate. You are your first lover. So treat yourself how you wanted to be treated by people around you, my dear Cancer. So you are a nurturing individual. So other than nurturing other people, it's time for you to nurture yourself. Show yourself the love, care, value, respect that you wanted to receive from other people around you. Kasi you are the creator of your reality. Be careful what you think, what you imagine, what you visualize, and what you speak, because that becomes your reality. So with your affirmation, my dear Cancer, we have, I am approaching this with gratitude. So it's time for you to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. And again, as I've said, happiness is a state of being. Na kung saan, if you're going to put your happiness in having that relationship, having that partner, having that money, having that possession, so pag yung mga material things na yon or external factor na yon, it didn't manifest in your reality, you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied kasi you are basing your happiness to that. So it's time for you to find that sense of fulfillment, contentment, be grateful of what you are, who you are, what you currently have. Don't compare yourself to others. So that is the last message for you, my dear Cancer. So pag nag-resonate to, if this happened to resonate with you, kindly comment it in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you wanted to avail my services, somewhat like this, a general reading, kindly message me on Instagram or Facebook page, Coach for Coaching Program, Tarot for Tarot Reading, which is my mga accounts is Coach Ana Santiago and Soul Tribe PH. But if you wanted to know more of the detail, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you, my dear Soul Tribe. Sending you much love and light. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!